What's up everyone, this is All I Talk is Tech. You may have saw my last video on how to take Apple Music audio quality to an insane level. This video is intended for Spotify users. So here's what you need to do if you want Spotify to have the best of the best streaming quality possible and even downloads. So what you want to do is go to your settings inside of Spotify, and once you're inside of your settings, you're going to want to tap on playback. Now this will give you really good audio across the board. You're going to want to scroll down, and where it says loud, loud is good if you want to have literally loud music, but your audio quality will actually be diminished. You want to keep it set to normal. Now what you want to do is make sure mono audio is turned off, and this will allow instruments to be played in the left ear while maybe the vocals are in the right. And so music will fade from left to right in your headphones. That sounds really good. You want to go to equalizer. In equalizer, select one of their pre-selected ones, and you can adjust it so you get more bass, more treble, everything like that. And what you want to do is scroll down, or you want to go scroll down from here, and you see where it says audio quality, tap on that. And if you want to have the best quality, tap on very high for Wi-Fi streaming, but also on cellular, it might be automatic, but if you have an unlimited data plan, do very high, and your audio will be so much better. So that is it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Peace.